Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure NordVPN Threat Protection for safer browsing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin with, ensure that you have NordVPN installed on your device. Open the NordVPN application. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Threat Protection. Click on Threat Protection to access the configuration settings. You will see a toggle switch for enabling threat protection. Switch it to the on position to activate the feature. Next, explore the additional options available under threat protection. These options typically include blocking malicious websites, blocking trackers, and blocking intrusive ads. Select the features that best suit your browsing needs. If desired, you can review the descriptions for each feature to understand their functions. Save your preferences by clicking the Save button, if applicable. Now, return to the main interface of the NordVPN app. Connect to a VPN server of your choice to start secure browsing. Once connected, your threat protection settings will be actively protecting you. You can monitor the effectiveness of threat protection via notifications on the app. For added security, consider regularly checking for updates. Ensure that your NordVPN app is always up to date for optimal performance. To test the settings, try visiting a site known for malware to see if threat protection triggers an alert. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance your online safety with NordVPN Threat Protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.